everybody, welcome to today's Baby Friday. I thought it was relatable, kinda, because it's going to be for the girls' room and it's baby related. So I painted the girls' room pink. Sorry if it's a little bit echoey, and now you would see how I did it and all that shenanigans.
Today I'm going to be painting Luna's room, so I thought I should record and bring you along. Right now it's totally white. My husband is going to put this floor, and I'm going to paint the room green. You probably hear a lot of echo. And yes, but this is the color. It's like light pink. Hopefully it stays light pink, because you probably know that the color that you see here is not necessarily the color that is going to stay on the wall. But yeah, so let's get started. Hopefully everything goes well, because I wasn't expecting to paint today, but what the heck. So I'm going to try to paint a little bit. And I am on my pajamas, so excuse that. I'm working. And this is our cable. I'm going to try to keep it out of the way. This is for the internet. The color, I thought it was going to be a darker pink. Not that I want it. I think it's a nice color right here. And then Luna is right here. Says if she wants to help. I thought it was going to turn like her shirt, but it's a nice pink. So far so good. So I'm going to continue painting. All right. Well, I got that part. We started with this wall. Well, I started with this wall. Now the window one got done. Hey, Luna. And then the closet one all the way to the end. So now I have one left. Yay! The only thing that I'm not doing is the very top ones, because I can't reach. I don't want to touch the popcorn ceiling, and I want my husband just to go over it. I will go from the bottom ones, like next to the outlets and stuff like that. Whatever I can, because we gotta remember, I am pregnant, and yeah, and then I've been having interruptions from Miss Luna and all, but then I only have this wall here to do. Oh, excuse my stomach. I like to have it up in the air. She actually likes the color. She keeps on saying, "Oh, pink." So that's good. Thankfully, it wasn't this color, because this is a little bit dark. Hopefully, it stays light like that. It might project a little bit darker in the camera, but it's light. Maybe I can see it here when where it's not like. Can you? No, it seems like it's very pink, but it's not. Yeah. So let's get to painting the last part, the last wall with the roller, and then I had an act like. The roller broke. Oh my gosh, the roller broke. Like, I put the roller in my my broomstick, but it was kind of cracked already, because it has been through many paintings. And I put it and I taped it. Then I was doing this part over here, and it broke. So I taped it again. So let's see what happens now. We're going to paint. I'm going to put down my this thing. Oh, wait. well, not my door, but I am extremely tired. And I'm going to relax now. Look, there it is. So you don't think I didn't paint it behind the wall. Painted, everything. So now, like I told you before, I just need the rims and the edges, and the room is basically done. I am tired. It is a Monday where I still have to cook, and then Mondays Luna has dance class. So I'm gonna leave it like that for now, and then my husband will hopefully will do the rest. The doors to the closet, I think I'm going to leave them white, so it's not so pink and it has a contrast. But yeah, basically done. And then my roll totally gave up like on the last section, so I had to do the last section like with a hand. I had to rip it off with the duct tape and then like actually do it with my hand. But yeah, that is so far how it's looking. Ta-da! Now everything's painted all the way to the ceiling and on the edges of the window, closet, and door. I'm gonna be replacing this, so that paint it's okay not to have it. But yeah, there you have it. And now my husband has finished painting at the top. Since you see Belly is very big, I cannot get on the ladder and do that. And the only thing that is missing is the baseboard and around of the, I don't know what it is called, but around the door. But anywho, the video was for the painting pink, and I will show you later on something else that I'm going to be doing here in the middle of the wall, which is going to be a mermaid. And I'm going to show you how to do a stencil and everything. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Comment down below if you like these kinds of videos. And I'll see you next time on another video. And happy February. Bye. Pink. Pink.